안녕하세요. I'm going to show you how to cook Aehobak-guk Korean, the soup with the Korean squash, the Korean pumpkin. Have you ever seen this Aehobak? Aehobak. Yeah, this one you can find in Korean grocery stores in Singapore. So I'm gonna use this one Aehobak today. And what else we need? We need garlic. Then I'm gonna use 멸치, dry anchovy. Then the seasonings is I'm gonna use, and then one more thing. I'm gonna use spicy pepper, green chili, 청양고추, Korean spicy green chili, this one. Then the seasonings I'm gonna use a soy sauce for soup, and salt and salted shrimps, and also the sesame oil. Okay, let's get started. So first, I remove the head and guts. So I'm gonna use only the body here. So the Aehobak, you open the package and wash under the running water. Okay, so grated garlic. Then let me check the taste. Perfect. Then I'm going to add 청양고추, green chili. If you can't take spicy food, you can omit this green chili. Then done. So Aehobak-guk done. We made Aehobak-guk, so this one is a very simple, easy recipe. So you try it. The taste, if not good enough, you probably add some pinch of salt to adjust the taste. But this one today I tried earlier, it's perfect for me. Yeah, so this one healthy, quick Korean recipe. If you like this video, cooking video, please follow me or subscribe my channel on YouTube. On Facebook and Instagram, you can follow my account. Okay, thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed this cooking together with me. And please find the Aehobak in Korean grocery stores. Yeah, it's very yummy. It's different from zucchini. Flavors and taste and texture. So you don't regret. So if you can explore the Korean authentic taste using Aehobak. Thank you for watching. 감사합니다.